Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to add and edit photos in Canva. So to get started, we're going over to our left panel and we are going to select Magic Media. I remember when Canva had the Canva library, but now they have this AI tool called the Magic Media. So here you would input certain text to describe the image or graphics or video that you want, and it will generate the style or the image that you want to use. So we're going to apply the same technique right here. And to get started, you need to know what it is that you want to create. But let us say that you have no idea. You are just here with a blank canvas, and likewise, your mind is also blank. So we're going to see what the Inspire Me button does here in Magic Media. So when you click on it, it brings to you this text: Scandinavian design style living room with a green sofa. We are going to select generate image, and here it has generated 4 images for you to use. So I'm just going to select one, and here it will appear onto the page. So now I want this image to be fully covered on the page. So you can hold and drag on any one of the 4 corners to adjust the size. The rectangle on the sides, these adjust the crop of the image, but we're not trying to mess with that. We're just trying to increase the size of the image on the page. The quickest way to do this is to two-finger click or right click on your mouse and select set image as background, and immediately it resizes the image to fill the page. All right, so now the photo is added to the page and we've resized it how we want it. So now we are going to edit it. Now to work on the photo adjustments, you have to select the image, and this opens the top toolbar, gives quick controls for brightness, contrast, saturation, blur, and more. So you're going to select edit, and we can go to adjust so that we can play around with the temperature a bit, the contrast, the shadows, the lighting, just to achieve the desired look that you'd want for this image. You can also adjust the texture. I'm just adjusting the brightness. I'm just adjusting the sharpness just a little bit. And because this is a high quality photo, I do not have to do much. I'm just showing you what you would do with another image that you would think need actual editing done to it. We're going to come out of the adjustment layer and we are going to play around with the filters. And I'm going for a soft filter. This one is called Aura. This one is too much, so we can adjust it. All right, that's it. So I'm going to leave this photo as is because it's already a high quality photo, so there's nothing much that needs to be done. But these adjustments help your photo match the overall tone of your design. Likewise, playing with filters and effects, you use the filters for instant looks or explore effects like background remover, duotone, or pixelate to create unique styles. Like I showed you before how to crop your image, you can crop and flip the photo. The crop tool lets you trim unwanted areas, and the flip tool mirrors your photo horizontally or vertically for better composition. Canva allows you to layer photos, or it can be any elements used. So for instance, to demonstrate, I'm going to use these 2 shapes, and we're just going to change the color of one of them, right? And let's just increase the size a bit. All right, now we have one image before the other. Let's do a demonstration of this. We can go to the toolbar and select position, and here you can choose to move the blue rectangle behind the yellow square. And that is how you'd go about rearranging the images on your page or on your design. So adding and editing photos in Canva is all about balance, choosing the right image, adjusting it to fit your design, and using effects to highlight your message. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.